Haha, hello guys, look at this. I have my gift from my wife. And I am opening. I'm so excited.
Gift from yourself.
Are you excited? I am excited. Woo-hoo. Alright, so we have all the protection thing. So it's so cool. Alright. So this is my anniversary gift and slash Christmas gift. I'm so excited. Are you excited? I am excited. Oh, so cool. And it's so weird. Alright, so. Alright, let's go open it. I'm so excited. I'm excited. Alright. Okay. Alright, so. Nah. Oh my word, look at it, guys. I have a styrofoam. Yeah, that's what I got, is a styrofoam.
Only my friends can see it.
Let's see. So here's the instruction, how to set it up. Cool. I'm so excited. So we got that one. And then on this little, so we have 3 wires. And that looks cool. Where's the rest of this? Okay, we have that one. And it's in this little compartment. Oh, okay. It's the rest of the wire, and I am so excited. Let's do it this way, all right, so that y'all can see. Ha ha ha. Oh yes. Ooh. Oh wow. So it's packaged really well. Oh my word. All right, so just take it this side and this side, and I am so excited. It's very light, and it's, oh, I love it. And the color is more on, what do you call the color, hon? No, it's not chrome. It's more like it's like a rose gold, maybe rose gold. Ah, look at it. So we are going to open. Oh wow, that's beautiful. And it's whatchamacallit. It's a HP Pavilion 360. Very nice. And the good thing about this, guys, it does flip and it becomes your own tablet. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? Thank you, my wife. And oh, it's so pretty. And thank you, lovey. So it's slim. Look at it. It's very slim. It's very light, and it's beautiful. It's just so beautiful. So you open this way, because that's how you open the laptop. Oh, look at it. Oh, yeah. And Kian, this is for your eyes only. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh, and now we're gonna figure out how to turn it on. All right, to turn it on, I think we have to put the wires on. Okay, let's go put the wires on. So I have the two wires, and you have to, well, at first you untangle this one and take it out, and after that, and see this end over here, guys, you see this has that three wire thingy. Then you find the female. This is the female and this is the male, and you just have to put it just like that. Just put it, see that one, you just put it that in and make sure it's tight. Then you take the Velcro out, and this will disperse like long. And now I am going to this end, I'm gonna take it and plug it in, okay? Not in your nose, because your nose just has two holes. So we need to put this one on your on the wall, okay? Not disclaimer, guys, this is, again, this is not for your nose, okay? We don't use this one to clean your nose. No, this is for the okay. All right, so you see there's a bunch of holes over here. That's for your memory card. And this one here, this is the one that we need to put put the end of the thingy, okay? Okay, if I can, I can do it. Look at that. So now it's charging. It turned amber. Once it's amber, that means it's charging, okay? So at the other end, over here, if you look, there's for headphones, and that's for USB, okay? And I think there's another one. Actually, there's another one for USB, and this one is your HDMI. So you can actually plug it in, and you can connect it to your either another screen, or you can connect it to the TV, so that you'll have like a bigger, if you have a bigger presentation, okay? All right, let's go fire it up. So here we are going to fire this one up. So no, I will show you. Over here is the fire. Like, that's what you push. Okay, this is what you push for. Turn it on. Okay, there you go. It's firing up the computer. And the keyboard, guys, it light up there. So it has like little lights. So it's really cool. I'm so excited. Yeah, so excited. I'm excited.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Hi,
A little
Cortana.
sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Oh, cool.
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
No, I want you to speak
If you
to
need
me.
an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator.
Sure.
Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes. Ooh, we are in the United States.
Keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes. Yeah.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No. Skip. Let's go skip.
Now let's get you connected to a network.
Ah,
That way you can get updates,
ah.
apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then, no Windows.
Okay, I guess, guys, I am going to do this by myself without y'all watching. Okay, all right. So I'll be right back. So, total in conclusion, I really like this computer, and I recommend it to anyone. And it's right now it's on sale at Best Buy. So if you're looking for um, not too expensive computer, it's actually it's affordable, and you can um, purchase this one right now. So it's real cool. I like it. It's light, and as I said, it goes backwards, and it can be a tablet. Right now, it's a tablet. Well, and that's so cool. So you can watch this one as a tablet. So yes, I recommend this, and I love it. So hope you will see you next time on my another vlog. All right, if you have not subscribed this channel, please do so, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will get my latest video. And again, I thank you all for watching Fun Cooking with Dogs, and have fun. All right, God bless you all. Love you.